What is it, huh? Are you a Christmas present? Is this yours? Get it. Get it open. Huh? What is it? What is it, monkey girl? Do you know? Merry Christmas, baby girl. Merry Christmas. Yeah, you're on my bed. Only on special occasions. Come on, get it. Get it open. Get it open. Go. Get it. Oh, you got it. Look, it's open. Get it. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, what's that? What's that? Oh, did you get a toy? What's that? Misha? Oh, no. Okay, you're done? Misha? Misha, there's still lots. Look. Look, come here. What else? What else? Give me this one. Give me that one for now. What's in here? Get it. Get it open. Get it open. What's in here? What is it? Get it. Good girl. Oh, fall off the bed. Good girl. Get it. Yeah. Get it. Get it. What's this? What is it? What is it? What is it? Huh? Wow. Oh, I know. I don't like when you have rawhide. But on special occasions. What else? What else? What's this? What's that? Another toy? Is that another toy? Misha? Hey! Good girl. Wait, look. Look, Misha. There's so much more. What's this? What's this? Hey, look. What's this? Bone? Oh, yummy. Wait. Look. What's this? Oh, it's a wubba. It's another wubba. Yeah. Yeah. Misha, come here. You want me to open it? You want Mama to open it? And then look, what's that? Oh, it's a big bone. Look at the size of the bone. I have to open it for you, silly. I know, I know. I usually don't give you rawhide. Usually you don't get rawhide. I know you want to open it. What a good girl. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Misha? Misha, you want Mama to open it? Okay, I'm going to open it. I'm going to open it. Hold on.